Alright, you guys, I made it inside Costco. So $59.99. I know we've been seeing this, but you know, it keeps getting lower in price. Ends March 16th. Okay, I've been wanting to look at this egg chair. Everyone's always in it. So the chair is $500.
I meant to take the money this time because I thought about
And all these cushions are 19. So they got like blue, beige, and for $19, you can also check out the at-home store, because the at-home store, they have like that whole rows of different cushions. I want to say starting price might start at 20 and up in the at-home store. Okay, these earrings are 1900, 14 karat white gold. And then next to me, 2000. This is kind of cute. That's 8. And then we have the cross for 13. Here's some silver. Limit of 10. These are new. These ones, right? They usually have the smaller 10 ounce. Lady Liberty. And then 13. $550 for this heart one. That's cute. 330. And this little pearl with the heart is 370.
So it's just a little over.
So how much was it there?
Here it was $350. But today it's $338 on the market.
Okay, so we have chocolate ultra filtered milkshake, 30 grams of protein, 1 gram sugar. And they also have like vanilla, which is, they're both 20, 150 calories. Okay, we have the Izod Men Canvas Lace Up. They come in blue. Let me pull them down. They're going to be 20. They have like a gray one. They kind of look like Keds, right? Women Calvin Klein Hipster. These are $11.99. They do end on the 31st. So one thing I have noticed about in the women department, they carry small through extra large, but there's like no extra small. I wonder why, because every now and then you find extra small, but I feel like it's not very common for Costco. If you're needing a shoe cleaning kit, actually, I just need probably one of these brushes. Get one from the Dollar Tree. My daughter needs to brush her little Adidas because we were talking about that. She's like, oh, they're so dirty. You get OxiClean, foam cleaner, sneaker wipes, shoe trees, a laundry bag, laundry pod. Okay. 3 different ways to clean your shoes. So pretty much with OxiClean. So, okay. $18.99. I mean, you get OxiClean and a brush. The chocolate macaroons are $12.49, a 32 ounce. Let me pull them out for you. Chocolate drizzled. I got it. There we go. Calories 100, sodium 5 milligram, total carb 9 gram. Serving size 1 piece. And I've never seen these, but these are $14.49. What is this, like a bread? Like a raspberry variety pack apricot, so like a cookie crumble. Hold on. These are interesting. And they're $14.49.
Now we got matzo.
And you guys know the juice is $12.99. Ooh, what do we have today? $13.49. Do they no longer have the tin one? See, that one was rare to find.
Yeah, I like it.
Extra virgin olive oil. Are these product of Italy? All product?
Look at the cap.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, it just says Italy. I usually try it when I do buy olive oil. I normally just try to buy like all one source.
Yeah, instead of multiple
Everywhere,
places
yeah.
where they could spoil in transit. Yeah.
Vanilla oat milk latte with collagen. This one's gonna be new for me. $20. Your daily latte with collagen boost. Interesting, organic. Let me look at it. Calories 100. Sodium 65 milligram. Carbs 16 gram. 12 servings per container. Serving size 1 can. Okay. We have like Himalayan pink salt, rosemary extract, baking soda. Oh, interesting. And $11.99 low sugar lion's mane mushroom, which is supposed to be good for you. Gluten free, protein overnight oats. Okay, more drink finds. The Junie, am I saying that right? For a happy mind, sparkling tea. We have ashwagandha, lion's mane, green tea, reishi mushroom. I don't know if I'm saying any of these right. You get 4 peach, 4 raspberry, and 4 tropical. These are $18.99. $23. The Ghost Variety Pack is here. We have cherry limeade, Welch's grape, and sour pink lemonade for $23. Baby Bell, you get 36 in here. This is a really good price though for $13.79 because in my local grocery store, I talked about before, I only get like maybe 12 and I'm paying like $6. But I mean, this will last everybody in the house. The Immunity Pineapple Turmeric. I believe I did share this one. Vitamins B, C, D, K. 1050 ends on the 30th. Wellness smoothie. Okay, we have the strawberry mango, tropical greens, the pressed one. I've seen this online. But I mean, you get a little variety pack here. Okay. And $12.69 peanut butter collagen puffs. Okay. Okay, we have finally some new stuff. This is for dogs. I was like, I just saw the doggy in there, and I thought it was like for humans because it said collagen puffs. I mean, can we eat it natural with no artificial flavors? You know, some dog food, human food.
Depends on what they make it.
I'm looking right now. Collagen and real peanut butter. Just so funny because my dog does not partake in the peanut butter. I don't know what my dog's problem is. Some more doggy treats on discount. Right here ends on the 30th. Chewy Duck. Ooh, he might like this. $10. Ends on the 30th. I actually stopped buying treats. Has anybody stopped doing that for like budget wise? I feel bad, but homeboy, he eats good. Made in USA. I used to buy bully sticks. I don't buy the pack here, maybe if they're on sale, but I noticed you kind of just choose them, so I buy 1 or 2 every now and then, which I may do that at the end of this week or something. Well, you know what? I have some extra cash. I made like $30 on TikTok, woo, so I could get him a treat. $16.79 ends on the 30th. We have Tide Advance. I feel like these are getting smaller though. 78 loads. It was 20, but 78 is like different. It used to be like over here. This is 152 load for 25. $9.89 spinach parmesan dip. Okay, and then look, you had a little naan right here for $6.79. I swear this gone up in price. I have never bought this here, but I swear it was like 11. What is this one? Kosher beef salami chub, 32 ounce, 15. Okay, we have bread, $7. Layered wheat bread, product of India, for $7. Alright you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video today in the Costco. Please stay safe out there, and I will see all of you in the next one.